Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and I'm here at Disney Springs and I'm going to one of my favorite places, which is Gideon's. Gideon's is right over there. And guess what, guys? The line is only like 10 minutes. It's not that long. I am so happy. This is awesome. Like, I've had the best of luck getting into Gideon's and not waiting on any virtual queue or waiting a half hour, an hour. I always have the best of luck. So I'm gonna go in and get the cookie of the month. Okay, the cookie of the month is peanut butter chocolate swirl. Yeah, we're gonna check out this. The girls aren't with me, my wife's not with me, but you know what? I'm gonna hop on a plane in about 2 hours and I'm gonna take them home the cookies and they're gonna enjoy these peanut butter chocolate swirl cookies. Awesome, come join me. Let's go get some Gideon's cookies. I'm just gonna ask you, what's your favorite cookie here, Ruby?
Chocolate chip and cookies and cream, personally.
That's your favorite? Yeah.
I have to say, it's both really good, but you can't go wrong.
Okay, what's your second favorite then? If you can't get the cookies and cream, what's your next best?
I'm going with peanut butter crunch.
Peanut butter, I'm a big peanut butter fan. I love peanut butter. Yeah?
You cannot go wrong with peanut butter crunch.
Well, how's the new peanut butter swirl cookie?
That one's really good. It's almost like a Reese cup with the chocolate and peanut.
Oh, I love Reese cups. Yeah? I definitely got to get this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to. You can't go wrong.
Thank you, Ruby.
We got two here. We got one and four. And there's two on this side. One and no. But it is right to go to the left. You just be smart. I think you'll figure it out.
Thank you. Always amazing walking in here. The smell is just awesome and overwhelming. Peanut butter and jelly cake.
Is there anything else I can grab for you?
That's it, thank you. Thank you. Alright guys, I got the Gideon's goods here, right here. I got 4 cookies. I got original chocolate chip for my brother-in-law Ken to share with his mother. And I got the cookies and cream, and I got the peanut butter chocolate swirl. That's what I got here. That's the cookie of the month, peanut butter chocolate swirl, guys. I'm gonna take these home on the plane tonight, and I'm gonna share these with everyone. So stay tuned. Next, let's go eat some cookies. Guess what, guys? I got a bag of cookies.
Gideon's cookies! I love Gideon's cookies. Thank you for bringing some back to us.
Yes. Go on, we need to open this up.
What a yummy treat.
Gideon's box.
Yes. Ooh, what flavor, I wonder? Wait a minute.
There's only one cookie in here.
Oh.
Only one?
I thought you said you brought back 4.
Sorry, guys. I had to give the other 3 away. I gave one away to your brother, who I was there with, who shared it with your mother. I gave one to Aunt Du for helping us take me back from the airport.
Hello and welcome to the Aunt Danny Stranger channel. And today we have a very important matter to discuss. My brother, aka the Disney Stranger, he just came back from a magical trip to Walt Disney World. And all he brought me was the stinking cheap Florida tourist t-shirt. Unbelievable. Oh, yeah, that's right. He did also put this in my bag too. This Figment the Dragon, which by the way, he's so cute and I do absolutely love him. He doesn't know this, but when we were coming back from the airport, he had a Gideon's box of cookies in the back of the car. So I conveniently stole a cookie from him. So today will be my very first time trying a Gideon's cookie. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Oh, chocolate and peanut butter. Looks amazing. Let me just dig right in. By far, no doubt, no lie, this is the best cookie I've ever tasted. Delicious. So anyway, that's about it. That's a wrap. So Figgy, did you capture all that? Okay, great, perfect. I think they're gonna love it. Bye.
And I gave one to Aunt Gwen Stranger.
Okay.
Well, we could share this one. They're pretty big.
Oh, I can't wait to taste it.
Yes. All right. So,
The peanut butter swirl. Isn't there a story behind this peanut butter swirl?
there is a story.
I love peanut butter.
Oh, that's a creepy little dude there.
So what's the story, Disney?
So, legend has it, if you can see Barnabas Mephistopheles, your soul has been forever bonded with the spirits of Halloween.
Oh, wow.
For you see, Barnabas is the ambassador to the most scared of holidays and will appear to you every halfway to Halloween as a reminder that it is time to begin your preparations.
Wow, is it halfway to Halloween already?
Yeah, I guess it is. Watch his hourglass closely, for when the final grain drops, All Hallows Eve is here. Satisfy the shadows and be gifted with mythic tricks and tasty treats.
Oh,
I think we got a tasty treat here.
Yes. So I guess Disney Stranger, we have to get ready for Halloween.
Yes!
In May?
I mean, in May, but you know,
Halfway there.
halfway there.
Well, we could buy tickets to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party.
Yeah, that sounds great. Alright, so let's eat this cookie.
I cannot wait to taste.
I think we need a plate? Yeah, something to put it on. I mean, this wrapper isn't the greatest. Look guys, I brought a plate. That's
Wow. Put it down. I want to eat the cookie. Yum.
We got our Mickey Mouse plate. Did you put it in the toaster oven?
Warm me some cookies.
It's so warm
I can
and
smell
gooey.
it.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can.
That's the bottom though.
Yeah, I don't even know if I can get it right side up because it's falling apart.
Gooey.
I think we need forks. We need
my.
forks. Guys, I got that too. Forks! I got the forks.
All right.
Alright, let's grab one. Let's taste this. Oh, it's so gooey. Yum. Alright, I'm gonna try it. That is so good. The melted chocolate. There are actual peanuts in it. There are? Yum. This might be gone by tonight. No,
It's not overly sweet. It has the peanut butter. The peanut butter really tastes natural
Yeah.
with the peanuts.
It's like the perfect amount of sweet and salty mixed together. And they even out the flavors pretty good. Like the chocolate's not too sweet and the peanut butter's not too salty.
So it's like salted
overdone.
peanuts inside of a peanut butter chocolatey kind of cookie.
Now we need a
Do you like-
tall. Now we need a tall glass of milk to go with it.
Oh my god, I really need that right now. Someone please go get a glass of milk.
Totally recommend
Wait.
this cookie.
Are you gonna eat? We've never eaten the whole cookie all at once.
You know why? It's usually so rich.
It
Well,
is, but this one
This
isn't.
isn't.
So good. I
Yeah.
can't stop eating it.
It's like, it's so good. I'm not even that hungry, and we're like almost done with it.
And we've never.
Never, you guys never finish it this quick before.
No. That's how good this is.
Mr. Stranger, are you going to take a bite?
Oh my god, peanut. Oh,
Well, I keep getting them.
no, I have
I do like salty cookies. That's really nice.
No, it's
Right?
almost done.
It's like literally.
It's a little.
Guys are almost done.
No, I need to eat more.
Was that the last piece?
Oh, guys.
Are you gonna fight over it? What the heck?
On guard.
This dude took off. What is this?
It's
Getting every girl.
Last piece.
Last piece.
Wow.
That was
amazing.
like so good. That like hit the spot. Like I was missing Disney a lot, and I think this brought the Disney magic tonight.
Yes, can't go wrong with Gideon's.
Yep.
It's well worth the wait.
Yes.
Wait, guys, I have a question. Is this your favorite cookie out of all of them?
That is a good question.
I think it ranks up there, top 3.
It does, but I don't think it's my favorite.
Dun dun dun. What is your favorite?
Whole cookie, Disney. I know.
It's not my favorite, but I just ate the whole cookie. All right.
I know. It's really good, but it's just.
No, I agree.
It's just like a
I
little
agree.
too simple. They have the peanut butter cookie all the time. I feel like they
The peanut butter crunch,
the
not
peanut
the
butter crunch
Yeah.
cookie. And I feel like they could have added a little something to it to make it that Gideon extravagant flavor.
Like monthly.
Yeah.
Extravagant.
Because like the Eternal Flame, like what was that type of cookie?
Oh,
or the
Like on your
what
mouth
is
is
it?
on
There's
fire.
wasn't there a s'more one?
Oh, there was the lemon.
The lemon cookie.
Lemon pepper.
Oh, no, I didn't really like that one.
Like,
Oh yeah,
that
there's,
was
like,
but
pepper
that
in
was
it.
like a weird flavor that
white
like
chocolate.
speaks Gideon's. I feel like this one is
The white
just
chocolate was like.
peanut butter and chocolate, classic.
But with that said, you guys just devoured it in about 30 seconds.
All
I was
Gideon's
hungry.
cookies are good. All Gideon's cookies are like delicious. It's so hard to rank them because they're
Pistachio
all
one, too.
Yeah, the pistachio one.
That one's yummy.
And that is year round too. So that's another great cookie. That's a great balance of sweet and salty. If you're not really into that rich chocolate, that's kind of like the triple chocolate cookie. That one.
But even
that
the
one.
pistachio, I don't think we would devour it like that.
No, I know. I think
But I think you would devour that one that was spicy. What's the one that's like really spicy?
the Eternal
The Eternal
no,
Flame.
no,
You
no.
That one
I
was like 2 bites and you're done.
I couldn't stand it. Like it was like the kick at the end. And it was like
Oh yeah.
and my throat it hurt.
Okay, so this is really an Eternal Flame. Are you okay, T? Is your throat okay?
Oh,
Ready to get ice
cinnamon,
cold
right?
water.
It was very
yeah,
cinnamony.
cinnamon. Okay, the one that beats this one is cookies
I-
and cream. That's still my favorite.
That's
That
your
one is
favorite, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So this is the cookies and cream cookie.
Okay.
It's good. I'm very sad that Mrs. Stranger did not get the April monthly cookie because that was coconut and I love coconut and chocolate, like almond joys. I love almond joys, so I wanted to try the coconut chocolate cookie that resembled like an almond joy. So hopefully they will bring it back again.
Yes, because this cookie also came out last March 2021 also. They
This
also
peanut butter
this
cookie?
peanut butter swirl, yeah.
Ah, so they're kind of
Yeah.
Rotating them, yeah.
recipes.
What was the November cookie though?
Wasn't there a coffee cookie? That
Oh,
was
the
October.
coffee! That was
Was
that
that
was November.
October?
That was November.
That was November?
Yeah, because we went like the first week of November. I think that was the coffee, and that one was good too.
Was it
wasn't-
complex enough for Gideon's?
I think it was. Yeah, because it had the coffee in it too. It was good. But I think that one, this cookie did overrule that one. Because I'm not really a coffee person too.
Is it coffee or toffee?
Coffee toffee.
Okay.
It's like coffee with toffee in it, yeah. See the extra like extravagant with Gideon's?
Peanut butter and chocolate. It's like
Alright.
a Reese's peanut butter cup. This cookie was amazing. I loved it. Thanks for joining us on this Disney Stranger adventure at Gideon's. And now we're gonna pass over to our friend D for Disney.
Guys, I'm John from D for Disney, letting you know, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.